yung kakanta.
Hey guys!
Hey guys, this is me Zoe, and today my mom and my dad is going to sing Wild Thing.
Bakit ako?
Bye.
You and mommy.
You and also.
By the
Pause.
Trogs ang
Okay
kumanta
na,
niyan.
okay na.
Okay.
By the
By the Trogs. Very old band. But it's very nice.
Okay.
So, they're gonna sing it. They're gonna sing
She's
it.
going to play the guitar.
My mom is gonna play the guitar and my dad is gonna sing. So they're gonna sing and do the guitar as a couple. Ooh. Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Mm.
Okay?
Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna be your echo, okay? Daddy?
Okay.
Okay.
You sing with me, baby.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay, so she got on.
Wild thing, you make my heart sing. You make everything groovy. Wild thing. Jing jing jing. Wild thing, I think I love you.
Love you.
Tapos biglang, tigil. I wanna know for sure. Pag-intay mo muna ako. I wanna know for sure.
This is actually a
Jing, jing,
tutorial.
jing, jing, jing.
Maging tutorial na lang to.
Ah, sige.
Paano mag-wild. Look at the camera. Okay,
na,
so-
sige.
Face the guitar to the camera.
Oh.
Okay, so my mom and my dad and me as a family, as a three, there's just three though. That we're gonna, this video is gonna be a tutorial.
Okay.
So so if you see, I'm getting the guitar. If you see, this is the second fret. So you have to put this finger here, and this finger here. There. It's supposed to sound like that. So it's gonna be like that. So this is D. I'll put this like that. And then you play it.
Okay.
So
And then
this
E.
and this is E.
So A, D, and E.
Yeah, so A, D, and E. There's only 3 easy chords for starters. E, J, K. Also,
okay.
also for other people who already really know how to do the guitar. I mean, I'll
You and
sing.
me, I'll sing with you.
No, I'm gonna. Hindi naman ah.
Wild thing, you make my heart sing. You make everything groovy.
Wow.
Wild thing, I think I love you. I wanna know for sure. Wild thing. Mali paso ko.
Wait, Daddy, can I do it?
Oh, you do it. You time it, ah. Pero pakinggan nga muna natin.
No. Hindi. D. Ako na. A, D, D, E, E, D, D, A, D, D, E, E, D, D, A, D, E, D, D, E, E,
D, D.
D, D, A,
D, D.
D, D, A, E.
E.
Tama eh.
Nalito ako.
Okay?
Tapos yung ano, kung kailan tayo titigil dun sa Jen, 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 Jen.
Ah.
I wanna know for sure.
Anong lyrics?
Doon tayo na
Turn it down.
Simple lang naman lyrics eh. Wild thing. Wait lang, we're going to review it.
No.
Iniiba ko lang eh. Kasi para ano eh. Para hindi...
Parang hindi na yung parang sound na wild thing
Parang
eh.
hindi plain lang.
Parang hindi na yung wild thing eh. It's like not wild thing.
Yun na yung uso ngayon. Hindi ko kasi alam mo kanta na yan eh.
Simpleng-simple nga lang. Yun na, alam mo na yung buong kanta. Tapos
Alam
na.
ko yung chords, pero hindi ko alam yung kanta.
Yan na yun, paulit-ulit lang yan. Yun na. Anong ibang
Wala,
lyrics?
paano si rapper? Pig ko. Tingnan mo yung pick namin.
Oh,
Oh, look at the pick.
now it's
Sira.
broken. It's broken.
Iba na lang.
We need a sponsor. We need sponsor, everybody.
Ito naman,
We need
tinuruan na kita eh.
sponsor.
Ba, ito, Tina?
Sponsor for guitar pick.
Mura lang yan. Iba na lang. Yung mga ano lang. Heal the world.
Di ko naman yung alam eh.
Get a better place. Eh, yun mga uso ngayon.
So guys, what we actually saw on YouTube. Daddy, can you please sponsor?
Yung kinakanta ng mga celebrity ngayon eh.
So guys, what I actually learned before, more easy than the A, D,
More
and
easy
E.
pwede. More easy.
More easier than the...
Walang easier. More easy or easier.
Oo nga, walang easier. Meron lang more easy and easier.
Oh, yun na. Tama.
Sinabi mo walang easier. Tapos sinabi mo din pwede
You're
easier.
fighting, you're arguing.
When you say more, you don't
But I'm
say
smiling.
Okay, just
Okay.
play the guitar. You're fighting eh.
easier.
So guys, I actually know. Oh my god.
The song, you're talking about the
So
song.
I have a song.
By the Trogs.
No, not Trogs.
What?
Yeah, Survivor.
Ah, okay.
And
You're gonna sing?
Queen.
You're gonna sing Don't Stop Me Now?
No, I'm not gonna sing.
You're
I'm
gonna
gonna
play it on the
I'm gonna
guitar?
teach them with one finger. If you guys didn't remember before my previous video. So I know I already taught you the song We Will Rock You with One Finger. So now I'm gonna teach you the Eye of the Tiger. What was the Eye of the Tiger again? All I know is Wild Thing with one finger. So Wild Thing with one finger, it's more easier.
Oh, more easier na naman. Don't
It's
say-
more easy.
It's easier na lang.
You have to strum with the second. This one is the second. If you see, this one is the second. So you strum it you strum it 2 times. And then you press the 5th chord. First, second, third, fourth, 5th. This is the 5th and you press it. You press the string.
Ilang beses nga lumabas yung kanta to sa mga pelikula.
Okay, so it's like this.
Oh, ano yan? Hindi, lumabas. Alam ko lumabas din yan ng ano eh.
I mean, it's like
Action. Yung action din yan eh.
Oo, yung ano, yung Major League. Saka sa ano, sa cartoons lumabas yan eh. Wild Thing cartoons, tingnan mo.
Action movies.
Lagi yun eh.
so.
The Kings.
That is the awesome thing.
Okay, bye guys.
And all of
Bye guys, if you didn't see me do it, I'm gonna show you right now.
See you tomorrow.
So, first, second string, and strum the
Ito,
5th.
The Kings.
Kasi alam mo eh.
Ito yung mga type ko
Do it.
dati. Mga rockabilly. Ito, The Kings. Ito, The Kings.
And then move 1. Move the here. See? Like,
Ano pala yun?
You on the bedroom.
Ano ma? Zoey, stop na. Bakit
okay.
na? Bye.
Bye.
Kasi nagka-play na si daddy na.
Peace. Peace out. Ah. This is not yet done. Oh. Bye guys. Please. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh please guys, subscribe my channel, my video. Wait. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how sad I'm gonna be if you don't subscribe and like and share my video.